All right, in this video, let's get started with adding a text field. So what we'll do is right below this label, we'll add in a field variable and text field. Let's see if we can find that within the UI. So we type in field. We got UI text field. Great. You definitely want to read through this. It's kind of what it's going to look like. You can pass through different actions to it. It's going to be a really simple text field. So definitely take a look at some of this documentation here on getting this going here. So what we'll do is we'll just instantiate a new instance. So we'll just create a new UI text field. I'm going to set that to new. And of course, we have the ability to, let me open this up again. We have the ability to set a placeholder for inside of that and text color. We can set a background color. And of course, we set the frame for it as well. So let's try to keep this as simple as possible. What we'll do is we'll just set a field and we're going to put a placeholder in there. And I got this from placeholder. And what we do is the placeholder needs to be a string. So we'll assign it a placeholder. So we field.placeholder. And this will be the text inside the field. Okay. And then next, we want to give this field, I'm going to give it a background color so that it's super easy to see. It's going to be yellow. Oops, I almost forgot the UI color dot yellow color. Okay. And then we're going to give it a frame. And I'm going to copy this frame here. Okay, I want to put it below my button. So we're going to put this as 250. And then, of course, we need to add the subview. And we're going to add that field in there. All right, so let's see if this works. We'll rebuild that. Awesome. So we got that placeholder in there. And then we can go ahead and we can type in there if we want to. It gets rid of that placeholder, which is pretty awesome. Let's see what adding that text does. So we'll go ahead and add in the text here. Let's just see what that does. So text and this text. And we'll rebuild that. Okay, so it puts this text in there. What happens if we remove that? We get our placeholder. So great. So you could actually put predefined text within there. Maybe if it's an email or something like that, we could present your email as an example. Of course, you can put that as a placeholder. But you can place something in there. Maybe let's say that they filled out a form previously and this is going to be a contact form within your app. What you can do is if you already have that information saved within your app, you can just put the person's first and last name into this field, and you can pass that in using the text property. So I hope this helps. I definitely recommend jumping into the UI text field, taking a look at reading through that documentation. There's a bunch of different things you can do with the text field here, and I do recommend going ahead and trying that out within your RubyMotion app. So that's it for now. In the next one, we'll go ahead and we'll try to add an alert. So if you click on the button, it should give you an alert. Right now, it's not giving anything but that you are pressing me within the highlighted state. All right, so see you there.